All right, we back. We back, team. Give me a minute here. Give me a brief little minute right here. And we are going to be hopping back into this live. I appreciate you guys' patience. My cat likes to fuck with my Wi-Fi router, and then this sort of thing happens. But it's okay. We haven't taken no trade yet. So let's stay a little patient. We got, I think, our swim loading right now, and then we'll get into it. Be patient. Don't fight these buyers just yet, team. Do not fight these buyers just yet. Okay, stay patient. All right, there we go. There we go. All right, EOD. Notice where that 1 hour is, okay? Sellers definitely not letting that 20 go. Let's see what we get here. Look at SPX. Bam, bam. I'm telling you, buyers ain't letting go of that 50 just yet. Okay, look at that. Buyers are not letting go of that 50 just yet. All right, so we're still patient. Our criteria hasn't presented yet. But if sellers do take this, we could definitely see a strong push down. I'm not convinced that buyers have lost yet. All right, we back. I appreciate you guys' patience. I lost internet and I go down and my Wi-Fi router is upside down and my cat is literally having a full-blown battle with it. Okay, so just a little hiccup, little retard stuff that happens, when you're trying to go live and trade. All right, let's see here. Look at this. Look at these buyers. Ooh, this looks pretty. Oh, so pretty. Once again, this is why waiting for your criteria is critical. Let me shout out to the team here. All right. Yeah, FOMC. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It's garbage, PA. It's garbage. But let's look at that 1 hour 9 here. Staying patient. Let's see it. Let's see who could take this. Coming into the 1 hour 9, look at yesterday, okay? Once again, the 1 hour 9 is gonna really guide you. It's gonna guide you very well. I very rarely trade against it. Very rarely. Sometimes I might trade into it, but it has to have certain criteria for me to actually do that, okay? So let's stay patient here. I'm watching SPX because of the price action at the 50 EMA right here. Okay. And I like how it's happening at end of day. That's also telling us that buyers haven't quite yet given up. So let's stay patient here. Todd, I agree with you though. We're coming into the 20, and a lot can happen at that 20. Okay. I mean, until it gets disrespected, I got to go with the 20. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? Like, until the 2-minute 20 is disrespected, you got to listen to her. And the 5-minute 20. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And look at SPX, okay? We have a green bar right here that's been ignored. And much like yesterday, look at yesterday, guys, green bar ignored. This is just nothing good yet. So this is where once again we stay patient, and really remind ourselves. It's if you can see opportunity here, take the trade. I don't like it. I don't like nothing right here. The only thing I like seeing is sellers have defended open print. They're defending the EMA cloud and the 1 hour 9. Okay. I just don't necessarily. What I don't like about selling is that the sellers were unable to find acceptance below pre-market low and end of day. Okay. Maybe they will in a little bit. But right now, that's one of the main reasons why I'm not really ready to hop in a short play. And we got SPX right there. That 50 EMA on the 5 is usually a pretty important level, but it looks like buyers are pretty weak right now. But it's just like the volume's low. We're not getting much battle. So this is where I stay super patient. Patience is golden. Let's see what everything else is looking like. What's Tesla looking like? We like trading Tesla instead. Ooh, give me an RBI. Give me an RBI and I will long Tesla all day. Let's see here. Ooh, okay. Let's just mark our levels here real quick on Tesla. I've seen somebody mention Apple as well. So let's see here. Tesla, an RBI here, and I will take Tesla long, targeting 32558. Yeah, 32558. Or I'm sorry, yeah. 63. 32563. I like the 1 hour. I like the fake out below end of day. There's definitely a lot right here. Look at the buying here off end of day as well. Upside target. Yeah. Okay, cool. So Tesla's giving us a little something. We'll keep an eye on that. What's SPY doing? Still going up, battling that 2-minute 20 there. Yeah, I'm watching Tesla for a long play, potentially. Let me just text my girl here. Give me 1 second, guys. Watch for that RBI on Tesla. We're retesting open print. All right, look at these buyers here on SPY. Look at these buyers here on SPY. See, and once again, this is why waiting for the strategy is so important. Okay, sellers tried. They pushed as hard as they could. They couldn't show any strength. Cool. Now we got more of a story to actually trade off of, right? Now we got buyers showing up. They've showed up at end of day. Now they're pushing price back into open print. So now we're looking for that moving average cross, followed by that RBI, and then we'll take ourselves a nice long play targeting 63692. Let me throw this out to the Discord so that they can see as well. And we'll go from there. And that's what we do at the Discord, right? Like I'm constantly updating here in equity commentary. I'll be like, okay, watching here for bullish criteria. Okay, so once again, like when I'm letting everybody know, I'm like, yeah, I'm looking for bullish criteria. I'm not 100% entering into the position right now. I'm not ready to. I need a little bit more from the market to do that. Tesla looking pretty. Right at the 1 hour as well. Tesla is looking very good. Very good here on Tesla. We can at least get a nice push up here. What's the daily look like on Tesla? Whew. Yeah, I mean, dude, Tesla could potentially move right here. Let's see what we get. Oh, 2-minute 20. Ooh, look at Tesla with the 2-minute 20. This is key here. I want to see Tesla break this high. 32297 for Tesla long. SPY is still just garbage. Oh, yeah, Apple. Okay, hold on. Let's look at Apple. What the heck? Yeah, Apple. Okay, so look, Apple has given us a HPT cross here. So if I'm watching Tesla, if I'm in Apple, my stop loss has to go right above here if I'm in a short play. I'm not in a short play. So if I was going to, I would be looking for sellers to defend this box right here. I would definitely be using that EMA cloud in the top of that candle as my stop. I like this 2-minute 20 on Apple. Ooh, look at, or on SPY, on Tesla. Look at SPY here, guys. Look at SPY. Bam! Look at this. Look at this. Very strong. Tesla, really healthy move here. I like it off the 2-minute 20 on Tesla. I'm going to take a Tesla long. I like Tesla here because I got a really tight stop. My stop on Tesla is literally going to be at 32183. Not hopping in heavy, literally trading one contract here on Tesla. Nothing crazy. I just really like that trend. And I like that bounce off that 2-minute 20. Let's see if we can get a continuation. I'm also watching SPY here. If I can get an RBI on SPY, I will take her long as well. Let's see what we get here. Tesla, first target, 325. Well, first thing I'm going to target here on Tesla is high a day. Let's see if we can get a push up to high a day. I also like the 1 hour here on Tesla. I like that we're at it. I like the bounce off EOD. I like the trend. And more importantly, I like the risk. The risk is extremely tight here. Very tight. SPY getting a little bit more bullish here. Very nice push here on Tesla. Just super nice bounce off that 2 minute. That 2 minute 20. We need her to hold though. We need her to hold. Let's see what we get. Watching SPY for the RBI. I will also get in SPY if the opportunity shows up. Very nice push here on Tesla. Also, we're above the, what is this? We are above the orb. Above the orb. And we're right at that 1 hour too. That's beautiful right there, guys. Dang, look at SPY cooking. And this is where patience is really important. You know, because, yeah, we could get in. We could enter in. Let's see if we got anything at least off the 2 minute here. Nothing yet off the 2 minute. We're just getting straight gas here on SPY. Tesla, I got a clean spot for my stop loss, so that's good. And anytime I'm in a position, the main thing I'm watching is just my moving averages. That's it. I watch my moving averages. I'm looking for them to hold. I want to see them maintain strength. I want to see those healthy trends. And then if sellers come in and push price down and absolutely obliterate my moving average, cool. All right, then I know to get out of the trade. 32185. That's Tesla stop. SPY is over here ripping. Dude, look at the 15 minute on SPY. Unbelievable. And you know what? This is the sort of price action you get sometimes, like especially on FOMC. You just get these crazy retard rallies. Damn. And you know what? Like that's when we got to be real with ourselves and be like, dude, do we want, I don't know. I'm not just going to get in that. There's nowhere for me to put my stop loss, nothing. There's no way for me to really manage that trade correctly. But we'll wait. We'll stay patient. We'll don't worry. Sooner or later, the opportunity is going to present. All right, Tesla's about to be coming down here to my 2 minute 20. I'm looking for buyers to maintain strength right here. It's important. If they don't, we'll manage this properly and won't put ourselves in any vulnerable scenario. My stop loss, remember, is going to be, where is it? About 50 cents away. This is the 5. We got open print. Okay, so my stop loss is going to be outside the EMA cloud about 32185, like right down here, right below this candle. Getting this bounce here off open print. Dude, look at, see, this is one of the reasons it's, you know, it's hard making decisions only based off the 2 minute 20, because the trend on SPY hasn't yet been established. So it's kind of like, yeah, we found, some buyers here at the 2-minute 20. We're looking for them to hold. But SPY could still go all over the place, which then could lead Tesla to get retarded as well. So that's kind of on me. I probably should have waited a little bit before entering here on Tesla. But at the end of the day, I have a modest, I know exactly where to stomp out at. I'm not vulnerable. I know exactly where to cut it. And it'll be a quick loss if it turns against me. Watching that battle at open print. Also, look at SPY. Pocket means pullback every single time. This is what we're always talking about. Anytime like you're getting these violent moves, you got to be careful, because it literally, anytime there's a space in between price and the moving average, that's what you can expect. What's up, baby? All right, look at Tesla here. Buyers trying at the open. Let's see.